everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Get Ready with me. In this video I'm gonna show you my hair, makeup and jewelry. So let's get started. This video was possible by Urban Company. They were so kind enough to reach out to me to try out their services and उसके लिए मैंने कल ही रात को hair spa book किया था. Let me tell you guys, this was the first time I was doing hair spa at home and I regret for doing it at salon for the longest run in my life. Now this guy from Urban Company was so professional. He came at my home at dot, like for the time I have booked the appointment. He checked my hair and used all the best products for my hair. The best part was, massage. Like he really massaged my hair so well and that was so relaxing. The whole length was for 45 to 50 minutes and I really enjoyed. Urban Company Salon at Home service provides every necessary salon services right at the comfort and safety of your home. They have hair, they have nails, they have facial. So शादी किसी की भी हो, तैयारी तो सबकी ही होनी चाहिए. So guys, he just left and oh my god, I'm super impressed with Urban Company service. Look at my hair, they're so shiny and can you see it? Like, oh my god, I can't believe, like it's like new life to my hair. I'm totally loving it. I highly recommend you to download Urban Company today and try it for yourself. So now I'm done with my hair. Let's start with the makeup and oh my god, I'm super excited for this one. So the very first product that I'm here using is this strobe moisturizer and it just provides the perfect kind of inner glow that I need for this look. And I'm not going for a heavy look. I just want to glam up naturally. So I'm here using this Inside Cosmetic concealer and drawing it under my eyes, over my eyebrows and around my mouth just to cancel out the hyperpigmentation that I have. After that, I'm using this Lakme CC cream. Now if you are looking for a cream that you can use on daily basis, gives the natural finish and don't want to use foundation, then definitely get it today for yourself. This is the best cream I have ever used, for daily basis, even if you want to glam up. So just get it for yourself. I can't recommend you this enough. After blending the cream, I'm here using this bronzer to warm up my face. Now it is like not a must have step if you're getting ready, but I love to bronze my face, which gives some warmth and dimension. Just gonna blend that all over my face and followed by a blush. Now I can't recommend you enough this Blue Heaven Diamond blush. It is like best product under 100 rupees. Get it for yourself. Now I'm gonna do my brows. I'm not gonna do much. I will just set it with a eyebrow comb and that's perfect. Now comes the eyeshadow pad. I want to do something glam but not very heavy, so I'm gonna take this brown shade and in windshield motion I'm just gonna move it on my crease and really create a depth on my eyes. After that, I'm gonna take this champagne shade. Now this is a Rose in the Air palette by Wet n Wild and apply it on my lids. With the mascara, this is again from Blue Heaven. Don't forget your lower lashes because it's really important, and this is how my eyes looks. Aren't they looking so pretty? Now I didn't want to go for a regular eyeliner, so what I did was I took a dark eyeshadow and created soft eyeliner, and you can see difference, like how pretty and gorgeous it looks. Now comes the lipstick. Here I'm using Nude Coffee by Inside Cosmetics. It's a really pretty lipstick, followed by a bindi. Of course, it's my favorite. And then here is the final look. I love how this makeup has turned out, so natural, still on point. That was it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed watching Get Ready with me for Haldi, and this is the beautiful makeup that I have created, and this is my outfit and this beautiful jhumka. Everything I'm gonna link in the description box in case you are interested. I really hope that you enjoy watching this Get Ready with me for Haldi. If you did, then give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends and do let me know in the comment box how do you like my makeup and this get ready with me. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.